Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the TownSq Community app is and how it's positioned. TownSq Community is described on official app listings as a platform designed to improve communication and management in shared residential communities like HOAs and condo associations. According to official descriptions, it acts as a central hub where residents, board members, and management teams can stay informed about announcements, events, and daily operations. It is also stated that the app supports communication tools that allow neighbors and management to collaborate and stay connected within the community. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app is positioned in the community management and HOA software category, focusing on simplifying residential operations and communication. Official sources indicate that users can access announcements, documents, and updates, along with participating in forums and community discussions. It is also described as offering features like maintenance request tracking, amenity reservations, and package notifications for residents. The platform includes tools for digital voting, document access, and task or request management, which may help streamline administrative processes. Some official materials mention payment options for HOA fees and financial tracking, although fees or availability may vary depending on the community setup. The app may also include automation tools and notification systems to keep users updated on tasks, events, and community activity, although exact functionality can differ by implementation. This app may be useful for residents living in communities that use TownSq as their official management platform. For users involved in HOA-managed neighborhoods who want centralized access to communication, services, and updates, this could be an option. It is important to note that the app's usefulness depends heavily on whether a specific community or property management company actively uses the TownSq system. Some aspects such as feature availability, payment options, or responsiveness of management teams are not fully standardized, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Overall, based on official sources, the app is positioned as a community management and communication tool rather than a general-purpose social or messaging app. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.